Welcome to today's review. If you're passionate about fresh homemade bread but want something hassle-free, meet the Cuisinart CBK-110P1 Breadmaker, a compact, powerful, and customizable bread maker that's perfect for your kitchen. First up, let's talk design. The CBK-110P1 is compact and vertical in shape, which makes it great for saving counter space, especially in smaller kitchens. Despite its small footprint, this machine is capable of baking up to a 2-pound loaf, perfect for small to medium-sized families. One of the best features of the CBK-110P1 is its user-friendly control panel. It offers 12 pre-programmed settings, making it easy to bake different types of bread. Whether you're in the mood for basic white, whole wheat, or even gluten-free, this machine has you covered. Plus, you can customize the crust to your liking, choosing from light, medium, or dark. Once your ingredients are loaded, the CBK-110P1 takes over, kneading, rising, and baking your bread to perfection. The 13-hour delay timer is a standout feature. You can set it up in the evening and wake up to freshly baked bread in the morning. What could be better? The viewing window on the lid lets you monitor the baking process without lifting the lid. There's even an interior light that gives you a clear view of how things are progressing inside, ensuring you get the perfect loaf every time. When the bread is done, it's easy to remove thanks to the detachable bread pan and kneading paddle. Cleaning up is also straightforward since both are non-stick and dishwasher safe. The CBK-110P1 isn't just about convenience, it delivers excellent performance as well. Users rave about how consistent the bread turns out, especially with more difficult recipes like gluten-free bread. This machine ensures even heat distribution, so your bread comes out golden brown on the outside and soft on the inside. For those who like flexibility, this machine offers a variety of loaf sizes, allowing you to bake just enough for a couple of meals or for a larger family gathering. The different crust settings let you personalize each loaf exactly how you like it. To sum it up, the Cuisinart CBK-110P1 offers the perfect balance of ease, performance, and compact design. It's especially great for those with limited counter space or anyone looking to enjoy freshly baked bread at home without the hassle. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to bring the joy of fresh homemade bread into your kitchen, the Cuisinart CBK-110P1 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips. Happy baking! Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.